Kidwaya warns Ozo. Nengi will be expensive to maintain outside the house. Big Brother Naija housemate Kidwaya has advised Ozo on steps to take to win the heart of his love interest Nengi. Kidwaya on Saturday advised Ozo to focus on making money, adding that it will be expensive to maintain a relationship with Nengi outside the house. According to him, there will be less chance for him to be in a relationship with Nengi outside the house without money. Kidwaya tells Ozo, Nengi is the kind of girl that if a guy is worried about other guys paying her attention, giving gifts, she won't like it. If you focus on making money and being a success, then every other thing will fall into place. Guys will be reaching out to Nengi in her DMs with gifts and all of that. Outside the house, it will be expensive to maintain a relationship with Nengi. Kidwaya also went further to say Nengi's family will wonder what she's doing with Ozo when there are rich guys out there. Kidwaya is confident Nengi's family may prefer her to be with a rich guy than Ozo. He said this while speaking with Ozo and his interest of keeping Nengi as his girlfriend. He also asked Ozo to go further in asking Nengi to be his girlfriend and see how things play out. So guys, what do you think about this Ozo and Nengi's relationship? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.